a mechanical keyboard was one of the things that I had in my bucket list of things to do. And finally, I made it. So this is the Texet Shift Flamer RGB mechanical keyboard. Hey, what's going on guys? It's me Sanjay from WhySoGeekious back again with another video. And today, I've got with me this budget gaming mechanical keyboard. So yeah, without any further ado, let's see what this product is all about. Alright, taking a quick look at the keyboard, we can notice that this keyboard looks very small when compared to a lot of keyboards out in the market. Well, that's because we are missing the number pad and a few unnecessary keys that the standard keyboard has. But still, I'm having the variant without the number pad, which retails for about $40 US, which is about 2,800 Indian rupees. But guys, you don't need to worry about it, because there is another variant with the number pad on it, and it costs a bit more than $50, which is about 3,500 Indian rupees. So coming back to its build quality, it was a bit shocking to see such a good quality build comprising of brushed aluminium and plastic, which feels very satisfying because it's very rare to see the usage of metal in such type of budget keyboards. So looking at its dimensions, it's got a length of 40 cm, width of 18 cm and a thickness of 5 cm. But don't even judge, it's got a good bulk to it where it weighs about 800 grams, which is a bit heavy for a keyboard. And wait, did we miss something? Yes, the unboxing. Well, I guess I don't even need to speak about it because it was pretty damn straightforward, where you get a simple box with the Texet logo printed on top of it, and opening it up, we get the keyboard itself with its wire coiled and nothing else. Dude, not even a user manual. Well, great, I have no words. But anyway, coming back to the build, taking a look at its keys, all the 87 keys are anti-ghosted, and every single key in this keyboard are injection molded suspended keys, which gives an ergonomic feel when using this keyboard. And if you guys are wondering about the switches used in this keyboard, these are Greetex switches, which are very similar to the Cherry MX Blues. And if you guys didn't know what switches a normal standard keyboard has got, don't have any switches but rather got membranes, which you know is kinda annoying to type in. But still, one interesting feature the company has claimed is that this keyboard has got a waterproof design and can survive any kind of water spills. But the truth is that I'm not ready to test it out this soon. Moving on, how can I even forget about this cool looking RGB lights? So speaking about lights, this keyboard is a fully backlit RGB keyboard where the lights are not customizable, but it's got different gaming modes and 4 intensity modes where the brightness of these lights can be controlled, and there is also some show modes which consists of breathing effect, stay effect and more cool effects that looks absolutely gorgeous in the dark. Now when flipping the keyboard, we can see 2 retractable stands for changing the keyboard's angle according to the user's comfort. And to the top of the keyboard, we can see the cable running where the entire cable is braided, and to be honest, I'm a very big fan of braided cables because it's tangle free and at the same time looks so cool. And at the end of the cable, we can see a gold plated USB connector, and since it's gold plated, it's ensured that the response time is going to be really quick. So now let's move on to the important part of this keyboard, how it performs. For testing this out, I asked the opinion of the person who is into PCs and has been typing half ages all day long. Well, it's none other than my dad, where I asked him his personal opinions about this keyboard. Well, he said that he's been using a lot of mechanical keyboards in the past, and this feels better than the ones he had used, where the company claims the keystroke life is about 50 million clicks, in which we can ensure to type and game on it for long hours without getting tired at all. But at the same time, seeing my personal opinions, this is the first time I'm using a mechanical keyboard, and I totally love the whole experience. When coming to gaming, although I'm not much of a gamer, what I observed was the spacing between each keys were not enough, which was a bit uncomfortable when coming to gaming. But at the same time, when coming to typing, this keyboard made my day. God, This thing was a whole pleasure to type on. The suspended keycaps and the anti-ghosting ensured that I press every key correctly. I mean, just take a quick hear at the sound that this keyboard is capable to make. Yeah, I know. The sound itself brings a good vibe, right? So guys, as a conclusion, I wanted to tell you guys that this keyboard is a definite pick because you get more than what you pay for it. And in case if you want to check this keyboard out, I'll leave the Best Buy links in the description below so you guys can make your way and check it out. So guys, that makes it up for the Texet Shift Flamer mechanical keyboard. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a massive thumbs up and also consider subscribing. Anyway guys, thanks a lot for watching. Take it easy, have a nice day, and stay tuned for more geekiest videos.